It is official in a release from Yamaha late Tuesday, or I guess mid-afternoon Tuesday, that Hayden Deegan is out for the MX of Nations, and that will mean that Justin Cooper will be filling in the 250 side, which obviously Justin Cooper is a 450 rider. He'll be moving down, and this kind of sucks. Apparently, per RacerX, he attempted to log motos today and realized that pushing at sprint pace causes a significant amount of pain. Now, obviously, if you live under a rock and you don't know what happened at the final round of the SMX playoffs, in a stupid attempt to try and take out Joe to possibly get some points to win a title, he fell over, broke his collarbone, had surgery, the next day, and has been apparently trying to make it work since. And we have a couple quotes from him, from Hayden first, saying, quote, "At this point, I have done everything in my power to race this weekend. I rode today for the first time after my surgery to prepare for MXON. After riding today and discussing with the team, it became clear that I couldn't sustain my speeds at a winning level. The team has decided the best option is for me to fully recover and have Justin Cooper fill my spot. I appreciate the opportunity and look forward to representing the USA in the future when I'm healthy." Now, let's just get this out of the way here. I know a lot of people are going to just hate on him again because, he's missing another year, whatever. It is what it is. Injuries happen. And, if you're at the tip top of the sport, you want to be ready for the parts of the year that fully matter. Like last year with the hand injury and taking pins out, if you don't do that, then it pushes it back a week or 2 weeks. And then it's just one of those things that testing time matters, especially this year moving up to the 450s in motocross. I'm assuming he's going to be doing a lot of time on the 450 bike this offseason to get accustomed to that. Obviously, it's training for the 250 Supercross side of things to defend the title there. I mean, big money, big sponsor contracts. There's a lot going on that needs to take precedent. And yes, I will fully say that the MX of Nations is one of the coolest things in this sport. Getting everybody from all over the world to race at a certain track one time a year for your country is important. It's a very cool thing. It's just, for these guys, it's not what pays the bills. I mean, let's be honest here. Will Hahn, the Monster Energy Yamaha Star Racing 250 team manager, said, quote, "The team is proud to represent the U.S. on home soil at this year's Motocross of Nations. Hayden was doing everything he could to get back from injury and represent his country. But unfortunately, after riding today, he's just not quite there yet to ride to his level. Justin's been working hard and we'll all thank him for changing his plans and being ready to fill in on a short notice. We're looking forward to the weekend." And Justin Cooper, the guy filling in the 250 spot, says, quote, "I'm really excited to get the call and line up for Team USA this weekend at Ironman. It's a bummer to see the injuries to both Hayden and Chase these past weeks, and I've done my best to stay ready for this exact scenario. I only have a few days riding on the YZ250F, but I feel really good and was able to get back up to speed quickly. The MX of Nations has always been an event that I take a lot of pride in, so I can't wait to get back out there with Eli and RJ and make America proud." Obviously, with Eli Tomac and Justin Cooper, you've got 2/3 of the team that would have been a few years ago with Chase Sexton also, so they're going to do well. This being Eli Tomac's last ride on the Yamaha, correct me if I'm wrong, before he moves over to KTM. So it's going to be interesting. I don't know. I know people are just going to give him an absolutely unending amount of hate just on the pure fact that, he's out for another MX of Nations because of injury, and it happens. I mean, yes, could he have been smarter in the SMX final, taken the second place, and been ready for this without having to worry about getting back from injury? Yes, and he definitely should have. I'm going to put that right there. That was a stupid move, stupid continuous moves to try and take out Joe, and he should have been smarter about it. It's just the end all be all. And that's coming from somebody who likes Hayden. I think he's, I don't want to say good for this sport, but he's popular and he has a good pull and brings in a lot of fans. But So I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Instant hate. Are you fine with this? Do you think Justin Cooper is going to do well? Whatever it is. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it does really help me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.